How to fix error is not recognized as an internal or external command in Windows 10 or 11. So if you're facing this problem, then just simply follow the steps. The first thing you need to do is you just need to simply open up your File Explorer. Once you've opened, you just need to simply go with this PC, go with local disk C, and under your local disk C, you need to go with Windows. And under Windows, you need to scroll down again and search with System32 folder. Open that. Once you open, now you need to scroll down again, and here on the upper side, you will have the bar, right? So you just need to simply copy this location or this path. Once you've copied, you need to go back and then go with the search, which search for advanced system settings, and then you need to go with view advanced system settings under your control panel, and here you will have this kind of interface. So you just need to simply go with the environment variables, go with the new option. Under new, here you need to enter the variable name and the variable value. So variable name is path, and then you need to go with variable value, and you just need to simply paste the value which you have just copied. Once you've pasted, now you need to go with OK. Once you go with OK, you just need to simply click on OK again and then remove that. Once you've removed, again go with the search, and you need to search for run or just right click on it and then go with run, and under your run you need to enter CMD and hit the enter, or just open up your command prompt, go with yes, and under this you need to enter the command which is ipconfig, and then hit the enter and scroll down, and then again go with the command, and under you need to simply type sfc space slash scan now and hit the enter. It will take some time, and once the verification process has been completed, then your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the problem of not recognized as an internal or external command. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.